Alright, so reserving part 2, I mean. Quit messaging me. Fuck, dumb bitch. I think I got all the screws off here. This is what I think might be wrong with my PS3. It overheats. So maybe the fan is fucked. Just want to pop this back piece off where your power switch is. Now, just want to pop off like this protector piece here. Now, this one might be wrong too. I'm not sure if this is the sensors for my heat or whatnot. I've seen a video saying that that's what it is, but who knows. I don't need to take those off. Oh, we'll just leave them on for now. Oh, shit. Maybe I do gotta take it off. Fuck. Gay ass pieces. Now this must be like the motherboard. Fucking little Chinaman kids, man. Making we're in China right now. Pretty interesting. I don't think I'm gonna be putting this piece of shit PS3 back together. I don't know if I want to take apart the fan. I'll just leave the fan off. You guys can scope it out from there. Now this provides me entertainment to play some Call of Duty World at War, bitches. But no, Logan hasn't played in over a month now. All the parts that come with the freaking PS3. So many screws and so much time. I give props to those Chinamans.